This is the Lofree Flow 2, the successor to well-received Flow 1. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most important upgrades and differences between the two generations, along with an overview of build quality, features, and configurability. For full disclosure, Lofree provided this review unit, but every opinion you hear is entirely my own. The Flow 2 arrives in a sleek, premium-feeling box that sets high expectations right away. Inside, you'll find the keyboard itself. You can order it in 60, 84, or 100 key layouts. Mine is the 84 key silver version, though space gray is also available. A USB-C charging cable, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and a small bag of Windows Legend keycaps in case you want to swap out the pre-installed macOS Legends. Flow 2 supports three connection methods: wired USB-C, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Lofree has hidden the hardware mode selection switch behind the right-hand rear foot, so the clean aluminum shell stays uncluttered. Pairing over Bluetooth is simple. Slide the rear switch to Bluetooth, then hold FN plus 1, 2, or 3, whichever slot you want to assign to your current device. To jump between paired devices later, just tap FN with the relevant number key. If you prefer the bundled 2.4 GHz dongle, hold FN and 4 for about a second to switch into wireless dongle mode. And of course, plugging in the USB-C cable puts the board into latency-friendly wired mode while it charges. The rear feet themselves are clever. Once you flip them open, they spring upward so they rest against the back of the edge rather than the desk surface, raising the typing angle to a comfortable 5 degrees without spoiling the silhouette. Flow 2 is milled from a single block of aluminum and finished with 205 grit anodized zirconium sandblasting, giving the surface a distinctly smooth, almost silky texture. The edges are crisp but never sharp, and the rounded corners echo Apple's industrial design language. Small touches like the recessed Lofree logo on the right flank, a slim status LED up top, and completely hidden assembly screws push the board's minimalist look well beyond its predecessors. Lofree has introduced a new low-profile POM switch family for Flow 2. You can choose Surfer for a crisp and rapid linear switch, Void, a slightly firmer linear option, and Pulse, a smooth, gently tactile switch. A larger light pipe in every switch allows noticeably brighter south-facing LEDs compared to Flow 1. On the silver chassis and especially on the white keycaps, the backlighting creates a gorgeous floating light effect. Legends are laser sharp, fully translucent, and exceptionally easy to read in dimmer rooms. Lighting is controlled by tapping FN with the left or right arrow that cycles through constant glow, breathing mode, or lights off. Secondary system shortcuts live on the function row and trigger with a quick FN press. Instead of protruding knob, Flow 2 uses a capacitive touch bar on the right side. Slide your finger to adjust system volume or screen brightness. It may sound like a novelty, but in practice it's seamless, precise, and keeps the board's profile trim and modern. If you want to reduce the screen brightness or increase it, you should use the touch bar together with the FN button. A 3000 mAh battery, fully 50% larger than the one in Flow 1, translates into generous runtime between charges even with backlighting enabled. Thanks to multiple internal dampening layers, keystrokes land with a soft, marbly note rather than the sharp thud many mechanical boards chase. Travel is smooth and consistent, and the overall acoustic profile suits the premium build perfectly. I'll drop a raw sound test here so you can judge for yourself. Flow 2 is fully programmable via the VIA web app. Remap any key, record macros, or tweak lighting effects in minutes, all from a browser. Now let's move on to the bonus latency test. With a high-speed camera, I measured average end-to-end latency of roughly 32 milliseconds in wired mode and about 38 milliseconds over the 2.4 GHz dongle. Those numbers are plenty fast for productivity and casual gaming, though elite competitive FPS players will want an even quicker board, and for that, I suggest using one of the analog rapid trigger keyboards I have on my channel. I'm genuinely impressed. Lofree managed to refine everything that made the original Flow special while elevating the materials, acoustics, and overall polish. If you're after a minimalist, premium, low-profile keyboard that offers three-way connectivity, tasteful backlighting, and a unique, elegant touch bar experience, the Lofree Flow 2 deserves a serious look. You'll find a link to the official product page below. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you in the next one.